Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about Snapinator. So Snapinator is something that you can convert your scratch projects, like I just take a scientific calculator, and then let me just share it, and I just copy the project ID of it and put it in the input here. So I just put it. Now it's just reading the input, and now it's writing the snap. Now it's done. Now we'll click the link and see our snap project. So here, as you can see, we have our same scratch project in our snap. So as you can see, this works fully same as where it works here. So like 12 plus 56 and equal to, so that's the same, and it functions properly. So that was about Snapinator, and this is about changing your Scratch projects to Snap. Thank you all. Bye bye.